Welcome to SM Tech tutorial. Today we'll see how to remove an object or a person from a photo in Adobe Photoshop 2025. There are two new methods make it super easy. First up, the remove tool. From the toolbar, find the spot healing brush tool and in that list, select remove tool. In the options bar, set the brush size slightly larger than the area you want to fix. Now simply brush over the object you want to remove. If it is in the corner, you don't need to go around the whole corner, just brush straight from one edge to the other, and just like that. It's gone. If you have enabled create a new layer in the options bar, Photoshop will remove the object on a separate layer, so you can always go back and restore it if needed. Now for method 2. Using the Lasso tool, from the toolbar, select the Lasso tool and draw around the area that you want to remove, slightly bigger than the object. Then on the contextual taskbar, click remove. And boom, that object disappears perfectly. That's it. Tell me in the comments which topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.